Earlier, we learned about enabling possible harmful content in a database through the message bar. This, however, is only a temporary solution to working within a database that you know is safe. For example, a database you created yourself. If you'd like to always have access, trust the database you're working on, you can designate the folder the file resides in as a trusted location. What we're going to do next is make the folder that you installed the project files in a trusted location. By doing this, Access 2007 will no longer display the message bar indicating it has disabled certain content. You should note that none of the project files in this training contain any code or macros that will damage your computer. Close this opening form and then click the Microsoft Office button. Select Access Options down here and then click the Trust Center category. This opens the Trust Center Options dialog box. At the bottom of this dialog box, you'll see a button that says Trust Center Settings. I'd like you to click this button now, and this opens the Trust Centered Options box, which contains 6 categories on the left side. Briefly, the Trusted Publishers category allows you to view and remove publishers you have designated as being trustworthy. The Trusted Locations category allows you to designate specific folders and subfolders as trusted locations. We'll come back to this area in just a moment. The Add-ins category allows you to set specific restrictions on access add-in files. The Macro Settings category allows you to configure how Access handles macros in databases that are not in a trusted location. You have 4 options here, the default being to disable all macros with notification. The Message Bar category allows you to tell Access to either show the message bar when harmful content has been disabled or not to display the message bar at all. The last category, Privacy Options, allows you to enable or disable actions within Access regarding computer privacy. Let's return now to the Trusted Locations category, so click there. To create a new trusted location, what you need to do is click this Add New Location button in the bottom right corner. This opens the Microsoft Office Trusted Locations dialog box. In the Path text box, you can type in the location of the folder you want to trust. I find it easier to click the Browse button here to open the Windows Browse dialog box. From here, I'd like you to navigate to where you save the project files for these lessons. For me, I have these saved on my desktop. So I'm going to click Desktop and then single-click the folder that you'd like to designate as a trusted folder location. Next, click OK, and you'll see that Access fills in the path to this particular project file folder in the Path text box. If you'd like to also trust any subfolders in this location, click this box that says Subfolders of this location are also trusted. You can also optionally type a description for this trusted location if you'd like in the description text box. I'm going to type Total Training. Next, click OK, and notice that Access adds this trusted location under User Locations. It truncates the location file path here, but you see the full location here, path, and our optional description, the date we created it, and here it says subfolders are allowed. So any project files in the subfolders will also be trusted. If you need to remove a location, you can click this button, and this will remove the highlighted option under User Locations or Policy Locations. If you need to modify one of these, you can click this button, and Access reopens the Microsoft Office Trusted Location dialog box. Here you could change the path, you could also uncheck the subfolders option, or change the description. I'm going to click Cancel because I like to keep the settings that I have. Click OK, and that closes the Trust Center Options box, and then click OK to close the Access Options dialog box. These settings won't take effect until the very next time you open the database.